Hello friends, are you confused about mole concept? That means you need to understand the basic concept of mole concept. Let us start. So do you know how much is one mole? This is the basic thing in this chapter. So let us learn what is one mole. You think I am going to a shop. This is my shopping list. I need to purchase one pair of earring, 1 dozen bangles, 1 liter juice, 2 kilogram apple and 500 gram sugar. Now you see what are these components showing? Pair, dozen, liter, kilogram and gram. Yes, you are right. Those are units. So what do you mean by a unit? A unit is a standard used for making comparison in measurement. For comparing the measurement, we need a standard that is called unit. Mole is also a unit. As a chemistry teacher, I am telling you to purchase 1 mole of salt. You will tell, yeah ma'am, are you joking? Same thing will happen with the shopkeeper also. He will also get confusion, right? And he will tell like 1 mole of salt, I don't know. So because this is not used in our everyday life. This is used by chemists for measuring molecules and electrons, etc. In this chapter, we will learn what is 1 mole. So 1 mole is equal to molecular mass in grams. What do you mean by molecular mass? Mass in one molecule. For finding molecular mass, we need to know the formula. So for example, we will take 1 mole of salt. What is the salt formula? NaCl. So for that, we need to find the molecular mass of salt. So first you need to separately find what is molecular mass of Na and chlorine molecular mass. Already that you studied. So you know Na is 23, chlorine is 35.5. So what is the molecular mass of salt? 23 plus 35.5. You need to add both the values. You will get the value that is 58.5 gram. So 1 mole of salt is equal to 58.5 gram. Now let us take another example, that is 1 mole of water. One liquid example we are taking here. So you know what is the formula for water? H2O. Molecular mass of hydrogen is 1. Molecular mass of oxygen is 60. These two also you know. Now you tell me how to find the molecular mass of water. That means 2 hydrogen atom are there. 2 into molecular mass of hydrogen plus molecular mass of oxygen. 2 into 1, that is molecular mass of hydrogen, plus molecular mass of oxygen is 16. 2 into 1 plus 16, that is 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 grams. Now I can tell you 18 gram of water is 1 mole of water and 58.5 gram of salt is 1 mole of salt. Let us take another example, that is one gas. 1 mole of nitrogen, that is one of the gas. Nitrogen formula is N2. Molecular mass of one nitrogen atom you know, that is 14. So N2 means 2 into 14 is equal to 28 grams. So 1 mole of nitrogen gas is equal to 28 grams. So once again I will repeat, 1 mole is equal to molecular mass in grams, that is also known as molar mass. 1 mole of salt is equal to 58.5 grams. 1 mole of water is equal to 18 grams. 1 mole of nitrogen is equal to 28 grams. Now you are thinking maybe this is only expressed in grams. No, this can also be expressed in number of particles. That is, the number of molecules in the substance, we can find it. Number of molecules means that will be a larger number because molecules are tiny particles. It will be large in number. So we cannot count it, right? We cannot calculate it. We need to estimate the value. To how to estimate the number of particles of any 1 mole of sample? Yeah, for that also equation is there. Mass of substance divided by mass of one molecule. Number of molecule in salt is equal to, for example, we are taking salt. So, number of molecules in salt is equal to molar mass in grams divided by mass of one, so that salt NaCl molecule. You know molecular mass in grams, right? Already we found it, that is 58 gram. 58.5 is there, for our purpose just we taken 58. 58 divided by mass of 1 NaCl, that also 58. But this 58 is relative molecular mass. That means it is 58 times heavier than one hydrogen atom. So, we need to multiply the mass of one hydrogen atom with this value. That means we will get 58 divided by 58 into mass of one hydrogen atom. That is equal to 58 divided by 58 into, what is one more mass of hydrogen atom? Mass of one hydrogen atom, that is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24. We will get the value 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. In some textbook, it is given 6.23 into 10 raised to 23. So, this number is known as Avogadro's number or Avogadro's constant. So, 1 mole is equal to, of 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.22022 into 10 raised to 23. Once again, I will repeat, 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.